So tak means to shake small things or like particles out or off. So you can shake things out off of your shirt, off of a towel, off of a cloth. Just shake whatever small stuff out. Libat means to be cross-eyed. Hilabtan comes from the root word labot, means to meddle with or to interfere, right? To mess around or with something, with somebody's business, or with someone's things, or with somebody's affairs, right? So whatever their possessions were. Bulak means to bloom. It also means flower, right? Nagbulak ang mga bulak, so the flowers are blooming. Bilog means posporo, right? Bilog, right? The matchsticks, and the matchsticks live in a box, right? The matchbox, which is casapuego, casapuego. Pandamot means hatred, like extreme hatred and loathe against somebody, like you're fighting because you hate each other. There's a feud that's going on, right? Damot is the root word for hatred or holding a grudge against something, because of hatred. Paklay is just a stew made of organ meats, right? Tripe stew, stuff like that. Bagol is a coconut shell. Slang word, it can just mean like your head or something like that, right? Bagol. Wisi is that wafting motion of the hands, like you're moving flies away. Ooh, that wafting motion to scoot flies or whatever away, or whatever smell there is. Bad smells, you can do that. Talagsaon is just used to describe something that's rare, something that's few of a kind, right? Few of one kind, that's rare. It's only one of a kind, and it's hard to get, or not hard to get, but hard to find. Tahod is the spurs of the birds, right? Or roosters. When they grow into mature birds, they have on their claws like sharp stuff, like the claws or the spurs. There's things that are sharp. Sometimes they'll put spurs on for the cockfights and stuff like that too. Hapak is to hit or strike or slap someone or something that makes a sound, right? Hapak, it just makes a big sound. You can hit somebody, you can slap somebody, you can hit a ball, strike a ball, right? Slap a ball, whatever, right? And finally, kamang means to crawl. Like babies, when they crawl, kamang. Or when you're crawling underneath something, kamang.